Hello everyone. Let us take a look at an application called Business Insights and Recommendations Developer, also known as BIRD, powered by Gemini. The application, which as the name suggests, helps business owners in extracting insights and recommendations. Let us say I am a business owner and I have a lot of business questions such as how to increase my sales or how many customers are buying a product. To answer these questions, I need insights, and from those insights, I can come up with recommendations on improving my sales or revenue. Typically, a business owner will pass the business questions to a data analyst. The data analyst will work on the data and provide insights. These insights will be passed over to the marketing, after which they provide the recommendations. In BIRD, all the three are replaced with Gemini. Gemini will ask the business questions. Gemini will answer those questions by working on the data and providing insights. And Gemini will take those insights and provide recommendations. The backend of BIRD is Python that will be making API calls to Gemini, and the front end is Streamlit. Now that we know the ins and outs of BIRD, let's go to the demo. This is the home page of BIRD. As for this example, let us assume I am an owner of an online retail business. So let me select the online retail data from the drop-down. BIRD will display the first 100 rows of the data for our reference. The second page is the context provider. Context is very important as Gemini needs to understand the context of our data before it can work on it. As you can see, BIRD has already extracted the columns from the data to be provided as context. Let us add additional context by including total sales, which is the product of quantity and unit price. Now that we have added required context, let us generate business questions. This is the context upon which Gemini will generate business questions. Simply click on the button and Gemini will generate 10 business questions based on the context. Now that we have the business questions ready, let us generate insights from answering these questions. We answer these questions with the help of SQL query generated by Gemini. The insights we get here is that the United Kingdom is the country with the largest revenue. So let us add that to the context. Now that we have added the insights, let us generate recommendations. Simply click on the button and Gemini will generate recommendations based on the context provided. You also have the option of mailing the insights, questions, and recommendations to your recipients. You can also chat directly with your data. You can ask questions of your choice and Gemini will answer those questions based on the context provided. Thank you for watching.